Hello and congratulations! Chances are if you're watching this video, you have your very own CO2 meter CM-1650 portable CO2 welding gas analyzer. Today, we are going to show a quick start video on how to operate the CM-1650 in as little as 5 minutes and its typical in-application setup. If you're interested, keep on watching. To start, taking a measurement with your new CM-1650 is easy. Step 1. Unpackage your device and be sure that your CM-1650 is charged and ready to use. Step 2. You will power on the CM-1650 device and wait for the device to complete its warm-up cycle. Step 3. Use the including tubing, filters, and flow regulator to connect your gas supply. It's important to note that failure to use the included regulator could result in damage to your analyzer. Step 4. You will then use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through and select the right CO2 welding gas blend concentration to be analyzed, dependent upon your use case and environment. Step 5. Apply gas to activate the device and begin measuring. For further information on how to configure technical settings for the CM-1650, please refer back to the CM-1650 YouTube playlist. And for further information, feel free to reach out to us at www.co2meter.com or sales@co2meter.com.